Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I'm your host and host Reshma Mayekar. So ladies and gentlemen, so today we will be revealing the teaser of luxurious residential project of Kalpataru Group, newly launched project named as Kalpataru 1, located in Varli Naka, Varli, South Mumbai, Maharashtra. So right now I'm standing here at the exact location of the project. As you can see, the construction is going to be start over here. This is your GM Bhosle Mark, which connected you towards Varli, Dadar, and this is your neighborhood. As you can see, the Raheja Towers, all the big towers over here. So yes, I'm standing here at the exact location of the project. So ladies and gentlemen, in today's teaser, we will be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking procedure, and yes, of course, launch benefits. But before moving ahead, let's talk about Housey first, what exactly Housey is. So ladies and gentlemen, Housey is India's first real estate platform who connects home buyers directly to the developer, thereby giving you the best rate possible. Unlike other current platform, जो आपके नंबर ढेर सारे brokers के साथ शेयर करते हैं, and the result is you are getting so many calls. But here in Housey हम क्या करते हैं पता है? हम आपका नंबर शेयर करते हैं directly to the developer, and the result is आपको अपने खुद के सपनों के घर का सही दाम मिलता है. तो यहाँ वहाँ जाना आज से छोड़ दीजिए और आज ही अपना खुद का सपनों का घर बुक कीजिए through Housey with your favorite developer. Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about this beautiful project mall. Kalpataru 1 will be constructed on 5 acres of land parcel where you'll find total 3 towers. Tower A, Tower B and Tower C. Tower A, ground plus 10 level of podium plus 60 habitable store. Tower B and C, ground plus 10 level of podium having 37 habitable floor. 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium deck residential apartment. Let's talk about the connectivity first. The project has been located at GM Bhosle Mark, Varli Naka, Varli, Mumbai, Maharashtra, where you will find Varli Sea Face hardly 500 meters away, Coastal Road 900 meters away, Palladium 1.2 kilometers away, and Varli Sea Link 1 kilometers away from the project. Now let's talk about the amenities part. Project having 50 plus luxurious world-class A-grade amenities, including your swimming pool, gymnasium, indoor game zone, outdoor game zone, clubhouse, you name it, we have it. All the luxurious amenities you'll find in the project. Now let's talk about the carpet area. As I said earlier, we have 4 BHK and 5 BHK luxurious deck apartments. So right now we are launching A and B tower. So A has 5 BHK, which is 4,750 square feet, and tower B has 4 BHK, which is 3,600 square feet. Now let's talk about the booking procedure. So EOI window has been opened. Customers can come see the site. A sales manager will guide you about the project. They will show you the exact location, discuss you with the plans, pricing, everything. And if you like the project, what you guys can do? You can pay the token amount, which is 1 crore. This token will have multiple benefits. First of all, above and all launch benefits. Apart from that, you can choose your favorite inventory, 1 car parking, and plus bullet plan, which is 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, this was the teaser of newly launched project by Kalpataru Group named as Kalpataru 1, located in Varli Naka, Varli, South Mumbai, Maharashtra.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.